Hey guys, welcome back to our new video. We recently received one of our customers for assistance in Shelly Cashman Excel 2019 Module 5 End of Module Project 1. Our client provide us some file attachments you can see on your screen, with full instructions to understand the problem. To complete this assignment, follow steps ahead. Step 1. Consolidate sales data. Use SUM with 3D references in B5, B9 of annual sales to total sales from quarter 1 to 4. Step 2. External reference. Link B12 to B10 from support_EX19_EOM5-1_accessories.xlsx. Step 3. Apply today's date, group annual sales and quarters 1 to 4, use today function in F1. Step 4. Project next year's sales, use roundup in D5, D9 for projected sales. Step 5. Fill quarter names, ungroup sheets, autofill F5, I5 with quarter names. Step 6. Sales projection. F7, I7, fill series, linear trend, from 2550 to 3000. F9, I9, use growth trend, 1.02 step value, for 2% increase. Step 7. Create pie chart, insert 2D pie chart for A5, A9, B5, B9, add title and data labels. Step 8. Duplicate quarter 1 for 2022, rename, clear B5, B9, update B4, 2022 sales, D4, 2023 sales. Step 9. Final step, save and submit via SAM website. If you need our help, we provide two types of solution services. First service is an old solution we already have but that might prompt as plagiarized when someone tries to submit because it has already been used. Second service is to complete it using your given start file and do it completely original. To avail of our help on any assignment, you can contact us on WhatsApp at +44 730 965 5268 or log into our website hhelpinhomework.org and chat with a customer support agent. Thank you for watching this.